like tortured.
Now I'm stuck buying 2 more.
Oh. Yeah, not fun. The rain's gone. God damn. Not fun.
That's coming down. I hope the Jeep's inside.
Yeah, me too.
I hope the Jeep's inside. Okay. So I mean, even if it is covered, it's going all kinds through this shit. I mean, it's fucking pouring, the roads are flooded, lights are out everywhere. Yeah, it's horrible. Yeah, the lights are out everywhere. Man, it's bad. Lights are out at Hen House, I think. Lights are out at Quick Trip.
Lights are out at West, the street lights are.
And street lights are
Right
out
now.
in front of Quick Trip.
Nice.
Yeah, it's bad.
Blink, 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 blink,
Was
blink.
beginning to wonder if I was gonna. Oh yeah, you just run right through there, you fucking moron.
Not smart.
Yeah, I was beginning to wonder if I was gonna make it there by 10:30. Like fucking, you know, as long as I make it there, I don't even care. Of course, everybody's driving like fucking idiots.
Discover a.
Yeah, go ahead, because you know you're in such a fucking hurry. You drive, you know. Yeah, and then slam on your brakes. God, you guys are fucking stupid.
Road rage.
Anyway. Alright, baby.